Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today we're going to make a beautiful Africa print necklace, and we're going to do the ironing first. So these strips we are using is just about 2 inches wide, and we're going to do the ironing. So after the ironing like this, so we can fold it like this. This is just too simple because I'm looking for something to wear to beautify my black dress and to manipulate the design so that it a bit look different. And so this is about 2 inches. Then we can fold it into two like this. So I'm going to take this to my sewing machine. So I just need to fold about 0.5 or quarter of an inch. Just fold it like this when you're sewing it. So like this. So we don't need the length, we just need the width. So it's just about 2 inches wide. So after that, just fold it like this. So when you're sewing, you don't need to iron it. So I'm just showing you how we're going to do it. So, and I'm going to just have to run a stitch like this, and I'm going to take it to my serger. I will be right back. So I'm going to show you the one I did before. Don't really need much of this rice, so we don't need much. So as I said before, you just need to fold it like 0.5. You fold the other side like that. Then so when you are sewing, you can use your hand to be folding it when you're doing it. So like this. So you just run a stitch. So it's going to be like about 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. So we're going to run a stitch like this. I'll be right back. Okay, I finished sewing it together. Look, very clean and neat. And now we're going to put this aside. So this is what we're going to use to attach everything together. It's 2 stripes, and I'm going to take the measurement like 20 inches. So what I need to do now, this is 2 strips, 2. So what I need to do now is to sew both sides together. So let me put the wrong side facing each other, then I can sew it together, then we turn it. I'll be right back. I've sewed the both sides together. So now I'm going to iron it. Before we iron it, so this inches, or let me take here 25 inches. Open one of these, then I put this in there. So I'm going to sew it in like a triangle like this, and I do the same thing to the other one. I'll sew it like this, so when I come back we turn it. So we have to turn it now. Look, I don't want to put interface, I just want to leave it. So I'm just leaving it like this. So this is going to be the stripes. So it's going to be like that. Then you give it a proper ironing. It's going to be at the back side, and this place is going to be at the top. So now we're still going to do the same thing to the top side. To cut another one liquid, then we can arrange it. We're going to arrange everything until we get to the bottom parts. Now have enough bead to do this. So I'm just, so after arranging it, I'll take it to the sewing and I sew everything together. See how beautiful it is already, guys. So that is how it's going to look. So since I don't have much pin to pin it down, so guys, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine right now and sew this side and sew the other side. Then I'll be right back. Then we'll arrange more. So guys, this is the neck piece. So we have one more thing to do. So I'm going to put this stripe. You can put buttons and loops, but I'm going to do it 17 inches. So I just need to put this here. I'm going to turn it like this. Then I put this like this from inside. So when I finish, I turn it out to this one, to that one, and it's done. So guys, don't forget to, if you want, like you put those beads, but I don't have much. I would have put this. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.